Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Vanier is located just east of downtown Ottawa, Ontario. It is a charming residential neighborhood that is known for its beautiful parks and green spaces. The area is bounded by the Rideau River to the south and is easily accessible from major roads like Highway 417. The history of Vanier goes back to the early 19th century. Originally, it was part of a larger area that included farmland and small settlements. The neighborhood was named after George Vanier, who was the Governor-General of Canada from 1959 to 1967. Vanier has several parks and recreational spaces. One popular spot is Jean Drapeau Park, where families come to relax, have picnics, and enjoy nature. It's a great place for children to play and for people to connect with each other. In addition to its parks, Vanier is close to the Ottawa River, which offers beautiful views and walking paths. The waterfront is perfect for a nice stroll or a bike ride, especially during the warmer months. Whether you're looking for a peaceful park to unwind, delicious food to try, or a welcoming community to be part of, Vanier has something for everyone.
Thanks for watching!